Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to work on the front post and on the back post. Here I have a row of double crochets. I'm going to begin a new row. So I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to turn. Now to work in the post, we're going to be working our stitch around this part of the previous row of stitches instead of up here in these chains. So we'll do the stitch like normal. We're doing double crochets. So I'll yarn over and then I'm going to loop under this post. Catch my yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through, all the way, and yarn over, pull through. That's the front loop. Front post, working on the front post. Now to alternate, I'm going to work on the back post on my next stitch. So instead of going this way, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to go that same stitch, that same kind of trick around the post on the back of the loop and do my stitch normal. I'm going to do the front post again on this next one. And I'm going to do the back, just rotating back and forth with each stitch. You'll find this technique in a variety of patterns. If you do it back and forth, like how I'm showing you, it can often make like a rim to a hat, or like on the like arm sleeves of a sweater. It really just depends on the pattern, but it makes this cool back and forth ridge. I think I did the wrong loop right there. That's okay. Or I did back loop twice. Either way, that's how you work in the front posts or in the back posts. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.